Life of a hawker. A street hawker is a common sight in our towns and villages. A street hawker goes from one street to another and from one muhalla to another muhalla for selling his articles or foodstuffs. A street hawker usually comes with a basket full of articles placed on his head. He hawks his articles. Every, stre- every street hawker brings articles and eatables of different kinds. Usually, in the morning, street hawkers come with vegetables and fruits in their baskets. They hawk the things and vegetables which they bring in basket. The people who live in villages and towns hear the calls of the street hawker early in the morning. He brings with him fresh fruit and vegetables. On hearing his voice, housewives flock around him. They take from him the things which they need. Street hawkers have to face sometimes very old customers who go on arguing, means bargaining, about the prices about the prices of various commodities. Sometimes he has to bow to the customers by reducing his rate. Then there are other street hawkers who come on bicycle loaded with clothes, utensils and other articles of daily needed and consumptions. All these are no doubt tough jobs. He has to labor a lot in order to earn his living. His profits are very small. He is generally a poor man. His clothes are very dirty. But with this small income he makes his both hand ends meet. The way he lifts the heavy load on his head or carries it on a bicycle is really a difficult job. Some of the street hawkers carry on their heads very cheap things. By selling their complete stock, they just earn a rupee or so. This shows the poor condition of these street hawkers. If a hawker is a little innocent, he is teased by the street urchins. These clever urchins sometimes steal away his petty articles and things while the poor fellow has to bear the loss. On the whole, a street hawker's condition is pitiable because he wanders from morning till evening from place to place in order to earn his daily living. In Pakistan, the hawkers are innumerable because by investing less amount of money they start this business. And Pakistan is a country inhabited by poor people. But there is no harm in earning one's living with hard labor. Every individual should earn his own living instead of becoming a burden upon others. It is dignity of labor which we all should respect.